Yeah, so my experience has been that mentorship works. And I've been privileged to be mentored by great people from Ashoka, the Global Good Fund, International Youth Foundation. These programs have really contributed significantly to my development as a leader and as a social entrepreneur. So Ashoka has been very useful. I had a coach from Global Good Fund called Clay Parcells, who was also very supportive to me in my work. And right now, even with the FB Start Accelerator program, I'm also receiving mentorship from the program, technical mentors from Facebook, and also technical support from Co-Creation Hub, Nigeria. So one of the advantages of mentorship is that you get to be very transparent with your mentor, to share with them your joy, your challenges, and also listen to them for their feedback. So I think that has really been the biggest advantage of having a mentor. Like, they get to really see what you're doing and actually give you real-time feedback. And the availability of the mentor has also been something that helps. And then also making sure that you have an agenda before you talk with your mentor, structuring out the conversation so that you make very good use of their time. And then on the other side of the coin, I've also been able to mentor other young entrepreneurs through the Inspire Africa for Global Impact initiative. And through this program, I've been successfully not just only helped these entrepreneurs grow their businesses, but I've also helped them raise money for their own businesses. So it's kind of like cascading mentorship, where you learn from your own mentor, and then you also pass that knowledge and skill to other young entrepreneurs like yourself.